the best places to visit in Ecuador. Are you ready for an adventure, craving stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and experiences that will take your breath away? Then look no further than the enchanting wonderland known as Ecuador. Nestled on the equator, this gem of South America is a paradise waiting to be explored. From the lush green rainforest of the Amazon to the majestic peaks of the Andes, Ecuador offers a kaleidoscope of natural beauty that will leave you spellbound. So grab your passport and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey with us as we uncover the best places to visit in Ecuador. Number 10. The Pacific Shoreline. Discover the allure of Ecuador's Pacific shoreline, where breathtaking beaches beckon you. Picture yourself lounging with a cocktail far from the chilly Andes. Salinas, a coastal town, boasts a vibrant nightlife and a glorious stretch of sand, enticing both locals and tourists. For a more relaxed and unspoiled atmosphere, venture to Montañita, a laid-back village with affordable accommodations, impressive waves, and a lively party scene that draws in sun-kissed backpackers. Seeking solitude? Explore the tranquil beach towns of Ayangu, located north of Salinas, or Puerto Cayo, nestled north of Montañita. Along Ecuador's Pacific coast, unforgettable coastal experiences await, leaving you captivated by its beauty. Number 9. Guayaquil. Welcome to Guayaquil, Ecuador's bustling commercial hub that captivates with its vibrant cultural scene and revitalized neighborhoods. While not a conventional beauty, Guayaquil's charm lies in its evolving ambiance. Take a stroll along the Melesón 2000, a riverside promenade showcasing urban renewal at its finest. Adorned with sculptures, gardens, and enticing restaurants, it leads to the quirky Museo en Miniatura, where the city's history unfolds through miniature dioramas. Cerro Santa Ana beckons with its colorful hillside dwellings, cozy bars, and cafes, offering a delightful retreat. And for culinary delights, explore the suburb of Urdesa. When the sun sets, the nightlife in Las Peñas awaits. Overall, Guayaquil is a city brimming with character and surprises. Number 8. The Galapagos Islands. Prepare to be enchanted by the captivating Galapagos Islands, where nature's wonder unfolds in breathtaking ways. Although these islands may appear desert-like at first, they soon unveil their true treasures, particularly when you venture beneath the azure waves. Delight in the graceful pirouettes of sea lions, the stealthy presence of sharks, the majestic glide of rays, and the kaleidoscope of colorful fish. Witness diving pelicans, swimming iguanas, playful whales, and even penguins in this extraordinary ecosystem. To fully appreciate this unique paradise, embark on a guided cruise where knowledgeable naturalists reveal the secrets and evolutionary marvels that make the Galapagos Islands a destination like no other. Number 7. Otavalo. Nestled in the Andean highlands of Ecuador, Otavalo beckons you with its picturesque charm and vibrant market culture. Step inside this captivating town, where you'll discover one of South America's largest permanent markets. As you wander through its bustling streets, you'll be entranced by a treasure trove of alpaca wool garments, exquisite handmade jewelry, and captivating indigenous art, all crafted with skill by Otavalenos people. Immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere and indulge in souvenir shopping, ensuring you return home with cherished mementos. With a convenient 2-hour local bus ride from Quito, Otavalo welcomes you to experience its rich traditions and captivating market scene. Number 6. Cuenca. Nestled in the heart of Ecuador lies the enchanting city of Cuenca, a true gem known for its timeless beauty and remarkable colonial architecture. With its perpetual spring-like climate and well-preserved heritage, it stands as a testament to the country's rich history. Wander through its picturesque streets adorned with ornate buildings and tranquil plazas, and marvel at the breathtaking blue-domed Cathedral of the Immaculate Conception. Cuenca seamlessly blends the old and the new, as evidenced by the avant-garde Museo Pumapungo, showcasing contemporary art. And just beyond the city, the majestic Cayas National Park awaits, inviting you to explore its mountains and encounter alpacas, condors, and hummingbirds, a true showcase of Ecuador's natural wonders. Number 5. The Avenue of Volcanoes. Embark on an extraordinary journey alongside Ecuador's legendary Avenue of Volcanoes, a majestic pathway that meanders through the country like nature's knobbly spine. This scenic route unveils a stunning lineup of snow-capped peaks, including the renowned Chimborazo volcano, which boasts a fascinating claim to fame. Despite not being the tallest summit globally, the equatorial bulge phenomenon places the Chimborazo's peak closer to the sun than any other point on Earth. As you venture amidst this awe-inspiring volcanic giant, take your time to acclimate to the dizzying altitudes, accompanied by graceful herds of Visuna. It's a breathtaking odyssey that unveils Ecuador's rugged beauty at its finest. The Oriente. Step into the enchanting realm of the Oriente, a verdant paradise that beckons nature enthusiasts with its symphony of raindrops, vibrant foliage, and captivating wildlife. Nestled between the cloud forest of the Andes and the sprawling Amazon, this biodiverse wonderland is a haven for naturalists. Immerse yourself in the chorus of over 1,600 bird species as their melodic songs fill the air at daybreak. Amidst the lush canopy, eco-lodges like Mashpi await, offering guided nature walks and immersive canoe expeditions. By indulging in these experiences, you not only connect with the wonders of the Oriente, but also contribute to the conservation efforts that protect its precious treasures. Number 3. Baños. Venture into the thrill-seeker's haven of Baños, where adventure and natural wonders intertwine. At its heart stands the formidable Tungarahua volcano, its fiery displays captivating and occasionally disrupting the town's rhythm. Yet the same volcano fuels the rejuvenating thermal baths that have earned Baños its name and claim. Immerse yourself in the soothing embrace of these steamy spas, their healing waters offering solace after a day of exhilarating treks, adrenaline-pumping rafting, or thrilling mountain bike escapades through the enchanting surrounding forests. In Baños, danger and tranquility coexist, creating an unforgettable experience where nature's power and serenity converge. Number 2. The Equator. Embrace the unique experience of straddling the Earth's equator in Ecuador, where you can capture captivating selfies with one foot in each hemisphere. While the Grand Mitad del Mundo monument north of Quito proudly claims to mark this significant spot, modern GPS reveals the true equatorial line resides near the Museo Solar in Tanan. Engage with knowledgeable guides who unveil intriguing demonstrations such as water swirling differently on each side of the line. Whether it's an enchanting illusion or a genuine scientific phenomenon, you'll be left to ponder the mysteries of the equator while immersing yourself in this extraordinary intersection of the world. Number 1. Quito. Nestled in the mountainous valleys surrounded by majestic volcanoes, Quito is a captivating spectacle. This Ecuadorian capital is a vibrant fusion of cultures and a living testament to the Spanish colonial architecture. For breathtaking views, ascend the Pichincha volcano via the Teleférico de Quito, but allow yourself time to acclimate to the city's lofty altitude. In the meantime, wander through the UNESCO-listed Old Town, marveling at its faded grandeur and exploring the Museo de la Ciudad for a glimpse into Quito's colorful history. Don't miss the stunning churches, including the Basilica del Voto Nacional and the Gilded Church of the Society of Jesus. Experience the vibrant markets, witness shamanic rituals at the Mercado Municipal San Francisco, and indulge in local delicacies like locro de papas. When night falls, immerse yourself in the lively ambiance of La Ronda, with its lively music and cozy bars. Quito is a city that will capture your heart at every turn. With that being said, we've come to the end of our video. If you want to join us on our travels through Latin America, like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. See you in the next one. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.